Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these hoop and paddle earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is connect our paddle to our beads. So we're going to want to do that using wire. So I'm going to start here about maybe an inch down, and I'm going to create a 90-degree angle in the wire. Then I'm going to put my pliers at the top of that wire, and I'm going to bend that around, creating a little loop. And while I have this loop open, I'm going to go ahead and add my paddle component. You just want to make sure that when you put it on here that you've got an even number of paddles on each side, and that this longer one is in the middle. And once you string that on, then you can take your pliers right here in the loop you've created, and you can take the wire and coil this back around a few times. And then you're going to take your pliers and cut off your excess wire. Now I'm going to string on a brass bead, and then I'm going to string on 2 Heishi beads. These are chocolate moonstone faceted Heishi beads. And then one more brass bead at the top. And then from here, I'm going to hold the bead at the top, and I'm going to bend it away to create a 90-degree angle. And then at the top of the angle I've created, I'm going to put my pliers and loop it around so that I create a little coil. And at this point, we want to attach this to the hoop. So we're going to attach this here. It's a little tricky with all this going on. And then we'll pull it to the side so that we can easily grab our circle that we've created and coil it back around. Then we're going to cut off the excess wire. And then we're going to take our ear wire and we're going to twist it open at the top, attach our hoop, close it back up, and it's complete. Thanks so much for watching, and all the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.